Hi, my name is Laura O'Donoghue and I prepared this video with data collected by myself and other ENVS3462 students to explore biocultural values at Mars Creek. This video is also a demonstration of biocultural data collection for future environmental management students, highlighting the importance of efficiently collecting data and using tools effectively to communicate them. So, appreciating the site itself, the site is located, the creek itself, across Macquarie University's campus in Lane Cove National Park. This is Upper Mars Creek, located on the campus. It runs from the western portion of the campus into the constructed Lake Macquarie and is surrounded by urban structures which influence the flow and water quality of the stream. It is a re-engineered stream which has only recently concluded remediation works on the site to daylight the creek throughout the campus. This was aimed at restoring some of the pre-colonial characteristics of the stream flow and mitigate the effects of flash flooding and stormwater. In doing so, the outskirts of the stream have also been revegetated. Then looking at the lower Mars Creek area, which is located in Lane Cove National Park, is quite densely vegetated and with local endemic plants and very little invasive species and clear animal life in the area. The water quality at the site had some algal blooms and a likely symptom of eutrophication from urban runoff upstream. So to understand the site better, I created 4 maps using GIS software to contextualize it. So the first map shows the roads and tracks surrounding Mars Creek. It flows under First Walk, Link Road, Wally's Walk and Gymnasium Road. Further beyond the campus, under Talvira Road and under the main arterial road, the M2. And there's clear interface between the stream and human activity. So vegetation types surrounding the creek, mainly there was wet shriffle forest at the uni campus and dry shriffle forest in the national park. And then the land uses on the campus, shockingly, was education, at the M2 transport, and in the national park, parkland. Finally, this map shows Aboriginal Heritage Information Management System sites surrounding Mars Creek. It's a little difficult to see on this map as they are a protected location for the protection of these sites. So looking further at what a biocultural value is, biocultural values are biological ecocentric features that take on cultural significance or meaning. They can be tangible or intangible, and appreciating these sites and the value they hold to people is a really important step in environmental management. So it's marrying the ideas of anthropocentric values and ecological values being in a shared thing, creating a biocultural value. All 3 aspects should be considered in ecosystem management. So to collect the data, we used CyberTracker, a software that was developed in South Africa for recording biocultural data. So the process we used was creating an app that we tailor-made using the software to include GPS photos, categories of biocultural values, and some notes. We then went into the field and recorded these features using our tailor-made app. So I selected water, rocks, plants, and animals as my categories of biocultural values to record. And then we returned to the lab after visiting the site itself and downloaded the data, and in the software on the desktop tabulated, mapped, and infographed our way through the data to present it to you. So this is tabulated data. You can see the date, time, task, biocultural values, photos, and data were recorded. And then you can use that data to make a map like this one that uses the biocultural categories and demonstrates the distribution along the Mars Creek stream. So then this is a specific entry from the 8th of March that recorded water and rock formations of biocultural significance of the site. These hollows here could have been made by Aboriginal people to hold fresh water and can be used as a drinking source for animals in the area as well. And there's clearly, as you can see in this video on the right, a healthy stream running through there. These are 4 plant species located at Upper and Lower Mars Creek. They are endemic to the area and have been replanted in Upper Mars Creek with the remediation to match Lower Mars Creek, and shows consistent biocultural values throughout the site. So I just wanted to thank you for listening and try and explore Mars Creek site for yourself. To truly appreciate these biocultural values in person gives the best understanding and outcomes in environmental management. So engage with the site where possible. Thanks.